Good morning, students. Today we will do our chapter number 11 of English grammar book. The name of the chapter is has, have, had. The use of has, have and had. We use has and have to show belonging in the present, means activity which are being in the present. There we use has and have. We use has with singular nouns. Clear? Has we use with singular nouns. Like my brother has 4 pencils in his pencil box. Okay? My brother. Brother is singular. That's why we are using has here with brother. India has a huge population. India, that is a single country, na? That's why we are using has here. Okay? We also use has with he, she and it. You have to remember this thing. Has we use with he, she or it. Look at here. For example, he has a new t-shirt. He is singular and that's why we are using has here. She has a pet kitten. With she we are using has. This table is made up of wood. It has, it that is single, has 4 legs. Okay? We use have with plural nouns. We use has with singular nouns and we use have with plural nouns. Look at the example. Elephants have tusks. Have we are using here because elephants, these are plural. Clear? These classrooms have new furniture. We are using have here because classrooms are there. Classrooms. Those are plural. We will also use have with I, we, you and they. Here we use he, she, it. We use has here and we use have with I, we, you and they. You have to remember all these things. Clear? I have a younger brother. With I, we are using have. We have a bicycle each. Okay? We are using have with we. You have many scrapbooks. They have a new TV set. Got it? With I, we, you and they, we use have. Clear? We use had to show belonging in the past. Has and have we use belonging in the present, and had we use to show belonging in the past. Means activity that is being in the past. There we use had. We use had with both singular and plural nouns. Clear? My father had a motorbike when he was in college. When he was here na? So that is belonging to the past. That's why we are using had here. This park had snow benches till last year. These animals never had tails. The sweets had too much sugar in them. Clear? With in the past tense we are using had. Okay? We also use had with I, we, you, he, she, it and they. This also you have to remember. Clear? I had a tricycle till 2013. We had a jack in the box which we gave away. You had a pen in your hand just a minute ago. He had his breakfast at 7 o'clock this morning. She had a lot of toffees that she distributed among her friends. Look at this box. It had a sticker on it. Who has removed it? Did you try the sauces? They had a nice tangy taste. Here we are using had because that is belonging to past tense, and we are using had with I, we, you, it, she, it and they. Clear? And worksheet will be sent to you. This activity you have to do in book. Clear? Now you got it, where we have to use has, have and had. You have to do the practice. After that you will clear it. Okay, thank you beta. God bless you.